Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets with everyone. So let's get right into it. Go to the top right corner and click the share button. Under general access, come here and change restricted to anyone with the link. Now choose the level of power you want to assign to the people using this sheet. You have three options here: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you choose viewer, anyone with this sheet will only be able to view the contents. And if you choose commenter, they will be able to view and comment on the sheet. But if you choose editor, they'll be able to view, comment, and also make changes on the sheet. So I'm going to set mine to commenter because I want people to only be able to view and comment on this sheet. After making your desired changes, click done, then go to the share button again and click quick sharing actions and copy the link. After copying the link, you can post it on a public platform of your choice, or you can share it with individuals. Just bear in mind that anyone you share this link with will be able to forward it to a different person, and they will also be able to access the sheet. So I'm going to send this link by email. I have the message with the link, and when I open the spreadsheet, it's going to show me comment only, and if I try to make any changes, it won't let me. But since I'm a commenter, I can come here, click add a comment, and post comments. And that is how you can share a spreadsheet with everyone in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.